Hello, today I'm in Fort Escape. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Simply press it to activate voice assistant.
Please say a command.
97.7 FM.
87.7. That's not a valid frequency. Please try again.
97.7.
Tuning to 97.7 FM.
And that's basically it. You've got more commands to use, for example, per smartphone, unpair, start navigation, and more. All commands you can see on the screen display while using the voice assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.